Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My Yamaha FZ150i is finally ready, but once I have it back, I found out that there is one issue with it. The quick shifter is not working. So now I'm taking the bike to the Tuneboss HQ and I'm gonna have it fixed.
Dia macam ni bang, kalau abang nak tahu dia masuk tak masuk, masuk ni. Ni, okay. Abang tekan ni kan, abang ada rasa. Tuk sini. Abang tahan tayar. Ujung part ni, paling ujung ni dia punya.
So masuk gear 1 dulu, lepas tu tahan tayar, tarik.
Tahan, macam ni paling ujung ni. Ni ujung paling sebelum masuk gear macam ni kan.
Okey.
Abang tahan je. Okey, tahan tayar, tekan ni. Ni paling ujung ni. Ujung ni dia nyala.
Okey.
Kalau macam contoh kalau macam ni, awal-awal lagi dia dah masuk, maknanya awal sangat tu abang adjust balik ni.
Just ini je sensor dekat situ dia sense benda ni.
Sense besi ni je. Dia sense dalam besi ni.
Just lose it.
Oh.
So in reality you can adjust it as a one nut, that's it.
Senang.
Itu je lah cara nak kalau macam kenapa tak masuk gear tak susah ke apa kan, abang check balik.
Check balik situ je.
Of course kau kena activate dulu lah kan.
Dia dah activate memang dah.
Well, there you go. Unfortunately, I haven't had the chance to go out and try it yet. I will bring it out to the track soon, but I did a couple of drag run and it works fine. It works how it's supposed to work, and I have always been liking it, and I've got no complaint about the Shiftboss so far. I'll leave you guys with the test video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.